Good morning, sir. Welcome to Uncle Jam's Restaurant. Table for how many, sir?
Table for one, please.
Do you have any reservations, sir?
No.
That's alright. May I have your name?
I am Rainer.
Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
Okay, sir. This way. This way, sir. Is this table fine, sir?
Yes.
Allow me. Good morning, sir. I am Jam. I will be your waiter for this day. May I present you our menu? Excuse me, sir. I will be back to take your order after 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I take your order now?
Yes. My orders are smoked salmon, Caesar salad, and 4 season for drinks.
Would you like to try our bestseller, sir?
No, please.
That would be all, sir.
Yes.
May I repeat your order, sir? Your orders are smoked salmon, Caesar salad, and 4 seasons for drinks. Did I get your order right, sir?
Yes.
Your food will be delivered after 10 to 15 minutes, sir. Do you need anything else, sir?
No.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I complete the table setup for you?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I unfold the table napkin for you? Okay, sir. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Here's your order. Here's pasta and your 4 season drinks. Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you your bill? May I receive 500, sir, at the back where you change?
Thank you.
Here's your change, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for dining with us, sir. We're looking forward to see you again.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.